Welcome back to the channel, traders. If you've ever stared at a candlestick chart wondering who's really in control, the buyers or the sellers, then you're going to love what I'm about to show you today. Imagine having a clean, color-coded dashboard right in the bottom corner of your chart that tells you instantly whether the smart money is buying aggressively or selling hard. No guesswork, no complicated order flow tools that only work on futures. Just pure, actionable volume pressure analysis on any symbol, any time frame. This is the buy and sell power indicator, and it's quickly becoming one of the most practical volume-based tools for retail traders using MetaTrader 5. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the problem it solves. In the stock market, we have real volume data. We can see exactly how many shares traded on each tick. But in Forex, indices, and most CFDs, we only get tick volume. That's just the number of price changes, not actual money flow. So most traders are flying blind when it comes to who is dominating each candle. The buy and sell power indicator changes that completely. It takes that tick volume and cleverly splits it into estimated buy volume and sell volume using the candle's geometry, the relationship between open, high, low, and close. Then it rolls those numbers up over a user-defined period and shows you the percentage split. Exactly how much buying pressure versus selling pressure is happening right now. The result? You get two big percentage numbers and a smart trend label that updates live on your chart. Let me break down the signals so you know exactly what you're looking at. If the buy or sell percentage is below 55%, the label shows neutral in gray. The market is balanced, no clear edge. Once buying pressure climbs above 55%, the label switches to trend buy in a nice green tone. At 62%, it upgrades to trend strong buy in bright lime. Hit 65% or more and it becomes trend max up in pale green. That's when the buying is really dominant. On the sell side, it mirrors perfectly. 55% gets you trend sell in red, 62% trend strong sell in crimson, and 65% trend max down in salmon. And here's where it gets really interesting. When either side pushes past 70%, the indicator flashes a bright gold warning. Trend change to sell soon, or trend change to buy soon. This is your reversal incoming alert. It's telling you the current move is getting exhausted and a potential swing in the opposite direction could be close. All of this is displayed with three clean labels in the bottom right corner of your chart. The signal description at the top, then the live buy percentage, and below it the live sell percentage. You can move them, change font size, colors, everything. It's fully customizable. Now, let's talk about how the magic actually happens behind the scenes. For every candle inside your chosen period, default is 14 bars, the indicator looks at the range of that candle. If the candle closed higher than it opened, it assigns more of the tick volume to the buyers based on how far price traveled from the open to the high. If it closed lower, more volume goes to the sellers based on the open to low distance. Doji candles or zero range bars simply split 50-50. It then adds up all those estimated volumes across the entire period and calculates the exact percentages. Because it recalculates on every new tick, or on your chosen refresh interval, the current bar's percentages are always live and updating in real time. That means you're never looking at stale data. One of the smartest parts of this tool is that it doesn't just paint pretty labels, it also writes all the data into 11 hidden indicator buffers. That means expert advisors and other indicators can read the exact buy percentage, sell percentage, and every single signal state without any extra coding. If you automate your trading, this indicator becomes a perfect filter or confirmation tool. Let's talk practical usage and trading examples. Picture this. You're on the EUR/USD 15-minute chart. Price has been grinding higher for hours. Suddenly the buy percentage climbs to 67% and the label changes to trend max up. You already have a long position, now you know the momentum is still strongly behind you. You might even add to the position or tighten your trailing stop. Conversely, if you're long and the percentage suddenly spikes above 70%, that gold trend change to sell soon warning pops up. Many traders use this exact moment to take partial profits or get ready to reverse. The same logic works beautifully on the downside for short trades. Pro tip. This indicator performs especially well on timeframes from M15 upward because the candle bodies carry more meaning. On very low timeframes like M1 during quiet Asian sessions, it can be a bit noisier, so many users combine it with a higher timeframe filter. Another powerful way to use it is divergence spotting. If price makes a new high but the buy percentage is weakening and staying below 55%, that's a classic hidden bearish divergence. The indicator makes these moments visually obvious. Now let's look at customization, because this tool is incredibly flexible. You can change the calculation period, shorter periods react faster, longer periods smooth out the noise. You can adjust font size, horizontal and vertical positioning, and every single color to match your chart theme. There's even a refresh rate setting so you can choose to update every tick for scalping, or every minute or even every hour if you're on daily charts and want to save resources. Whether you trade Forex majors, gold, indices, or cryptocurrencies, as long as you have tick volume, this indicator works. Before I wrap up, here are 3 quick tips to get the most out of it. First, always use it in combination with your existing price action or support resistance strategy. It's not a standalone holy grail, it's a high probability filter that tells you when the volume story matches the price story. Second, pay special attention to the 70% reversal zones. These don't happen every day, but when they do, they often mark major turning points. Third, experiment with the period setting. Many traders find 20 to 30 works great on H1 and H4 charts, while 8 to 12 can be perfect for scalping on M15. If you're an algorithmic trader, don't forget to check those hidden buffers. You can build simple rules like only take buy trades when trend buy or higher is active, and dramatically improve your win rate. So there you have a clean professional-grade volume pressure tool that finally gives retail traders the kind of insight that used to be reserved for institutions with expensive order flow software. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description below. It's completely free to download and works on any MT5 broker. Drop a comment and let me know, what timeframe and symbol do you trade most? Would you like me to do a follow-up video showing live examples or how to code a simple EA that reads these buffers? Hit that like button if this video helped you understand volume pressure better, subscribe for more practical trading tools, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading, stay disciplined, and I'll catch you in the charts.